Very widely respected Dr. Kakadla Subbarao, who was actually director of NIMS when I was Deputy Secretary in Health way back in 1990-91. Dr. M.C. Das, Dr. Appa Rao, Sri Rungta, and other eminent guests, invitees, media. It's a pleasure for me to be present at the curtain raiser for this huge event that is being planned in great style by Sri Ara. I think we all have known Sri Ara for a very, very successful career in the civil service in the state of Andhra Pradesh and a number of very key assignments in the government of India as well. And then for his pioneering work as the Chief Information Commissioner in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Now he brings his brand of enthusiasm, his amazing amount of energy and the energy of the Indus Foundation into the healthcare sector. It's wonderful news for all of us because whatever he does, he ensures tremendous amount of care and attention to detail. And I can see today is this is the first healthcare summit being organized by the Indus Foundation. We are now in the beginning of February. The event is actually from 20th to 22nd of June, but the list of speakers who have expressed interest and who have tentatively agreed to come in reads like a who's who of the healthcare world, not only from within India, not only from the national institutions and prominent institutions within India, but I think from institutions across the world. A very, very eminent panel of speakers is likely to be there at the summit. We all have tremendous faith and pride in being in the city of Hyderabad. Hyderabad is one of the finest locations to have healthcare summit. Every year we are seeing a number of events, but typically the event that we organize here turns out to be a professional event in a particular area of healthcare. The way this particular event is different is that it covers a vast spectrum of healthcare concerns and advances, innovations. The city of Hyderabad, while the rest of the country in the northern part will be having sweltering heat, the city of Hyderabad will be like Shimla or like one of the best hill stations in the month of June. And it will be our pleasure to welcome the panelists and the delegates and the guests who come in from all over the world as part of this summit. I am quite confident that they will also find several things to see and appreciate in Hyderabad, even in the healthcare sector. The government of Andhra Pradesh has been the pioneer in a number of ways. The Arogya Shri scheme, which has been implemented by the government of Andhra Pradesh, is a pioneering effort and is now covering almost 83% of the population with a fairly comprehensive health insurance cover, covering up to 2 lakh rupees per family and this is without payment of any premium by the public. The premium for this, the expenditure on this scheme is borne by the government of Andhra Pradesh. As many as 938 packages are actually covered by the government for the poorest people in the state. Of course, our being something like a welfare state, our coverage is almost 83%. So that's one of the innovations, and we have a number of other innovations to our credit, and I'm sure many of our institutions and faculty members in the colleges will also participate with great enthusiasm, and I'm sure this will end up giving a boost to the healthcare sector in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Thank you.